If you're looking to take control of your browsing experience, debug a web page, or just get a peek behind the scenes at how websites work, today's tutorial is absolutely for you. In this quick and easy guide, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to open the browser console in Google Chrome. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access this powerful tool, which can help you troubleshoot issues, peek at network activity, or even learn a thing or two about website development, even if you're brand new to it. Let's dive right into it. So first things first, make sure you have Google Chrome open. If you don't already have it launched on your computer, just double-click the Chrome icon and let it boot up. It doesn't matter what page you land on. You can be on your favorite news site, your inbox, or even a blank new tab. The important part is that Chrome is up and running. Sometimes people get tripped up by trying to do this in another browser, like Firefox or Edge, but for today's video, we're focusing specifically on Chrome, since the steps can look a little different elsewhere. Now, if you're thinking, wait, what exactly is a browser console? That's a great question. The console is basically a window that developers and even regular users can use to interact with pages in a way you just can't from the normal browser view. You can inspect elements, run bits of JavaScript, catch errors, and watch things happen in real time. It's sort of like the cockpit controls for the web page you're on. Ready to open it? Here's how you do it. On your keyboard, simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus J all at once. If you're on a Windows machine or a Chromebook, that's the exact combination you need. The Control key, the Shift key, and the letter J. Hold down Control, keep pressing Shift, and then tap J. Try to press them together so Chrome knows that you're asking for that special developer window, not just typing a capital letter or some shortcut for something else. If you're using a Mac, by the way, the equivalent shortcut is a little different. That would be Command plus Option plus J. But for Chrome on Windows, Control plus Shift plus J is all you need. When you press those keys, you'll see a panel pop up, usually along the bottom or sometimes on the side of your browser. This is the console. Don't worry if it looks a bit intimidating at first. You'll see some code, maybe a few messages or logs, but you can't really break anything just by looking around. In fact, this space is perfect for experimenting or troubleshooting when something on a web page isn't working right. For developers, it's essential. But even if you're just a curious user, this can help you uncover hidden details or better understand what's going on behind the scenes. If nothing happens when you press the shortcut, double-check that Chrome is the window selected. Sometimes, if another app is on top of your browser, the shortcut might not reach Chrome. Or you can go to the three-dot menu in the upper right, navigate down to More Tools, and then Developer Tools. The console will be one of the tabs in that panel. So, as you can see, opening the browser console in Chrome is super simple. Just Control plus Shift plus J. Give it a try yourself. Don't worry about breaking anything. Just explore. If this was helpful, feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions. Hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.